first thing you look at. Like, why would you buy a product if you can't use it? So it's the first decision you make in any purchasing choice is, can I open this product? Can I use this product? Or am I gonna need to have help using that product? And no one generally buys something going, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy this, but I'm gonna have to ask someone to help to use it. People buy it because they want to use it themselves, not expecting that they have to have help to use it. So I think it's the first thing that you generally look at when you're buying anything is, am I actually going to be able to use this product?
Thinking about it, what would be my standpoints of where I would find issues and what I would have to work around. Holding things and trialing it is also a big thing that I would be doing. Thinking about it, so not rushing into any purchases as well, which I know that might cause me heartache or issues down the track. But yeah, just testing it and holding it, because also the weight of some items are just really heavy that will be a struggle for me.
Probably a lot, because I need to think about how do I use that product when I get home, and if I'm on my own. Otherwise I have to remember to ask a carer to open it before they leave. But the other day I totally forgot about the jars on the pasta sauces, which I couldn't open.